It's getting big. Just sold like 4 of these. So weird that you got another one here. Premium pile. Take that. Gotta check the condition. It's good. Buttons. Not perfect, but it's got an over on the inside. It's not too bad. Very, very small. Maybe. Hugo Boss. Made in Italy. Maybe. That's good. Hugo Boss. Oh, it's good. This is cool. Okay, leather Olympics. Watch 2's okay. It's got a liner, it's okay. Ralph Lauren, it's good. It's leather as well. It's nice. It's nice, Averex. Guess jeans, car, early. Good. Levi's is very, very faded. Armani. Okay. Putting down again with that badge like that. It's just so hard to sell. That's good car hot, right? It's a beautiful jacket, but it just makes it more difficult once the badge goes.
That's Burberry's.
Yeah. Dean's found these. It's a bit of an older Chicago Cubs jacket. You're gonna need a wash this one is, bro. It's made in USA, that is.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Is it ceramic buttons? Fjallraven, size large, very old Fjallraven. Needs a good clean. You got to toothbrush these buttons, the brass buttons on it. It's wicked, that is. Made in Sweden.
There you go, mate.
Coyote fur. Made in China, but it's still 70 quid. We'll just do a basic tidy up at the end. Another scotch and soda. Don't know if that's any good. That waistcoat I sold. Just so.
That was the thing I said to you, isn't it?
Oh, did you? See this brand, Guysween, it's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
How much?
Well, I've just sold the waistcoat for £139.99. So what's that? Got to be way more. It's that's really good.
Take a picture.
Yeah. So this is bought on Vibe, alpaca wool.
There's a belly.
80s. This jacket's weird. Feels like it's got some kind of liner. Whoa! 80s heli. I mean, not big money, maybe 50, 60, but Look at that.
Nice, eh?
It's reversible. It's two in one coats. I'm surprised you're not going for that, bro. That's nice, yeah.
How much was the shot? Not a jacket, shot. That's nice.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
A beauty.
Your type of thing. Do you want that one?
You not taking
Yeah,
it?
you have that one.
Sure.
Yeah, because you buy and sell a lot of barn coats. Yeah. Go Phil. Beautiful, mate. Leet.
What's your line?
Yeah. Maybe 50, 60 quid.
I had this last time.
Even with no brands, you reckon they're good sellers?
Aye. 35, 40 each.
Really? Because they're in.
Style.
Yeah, they're individual, aren't they? What's this called? Eccles cake.
Yeah, bro. It's Levi's in here. Empire biscuit.
Present for you, bro. Here you go, have a look.
You don't want it?
No, it's yours.
I've got one through there. It's the same pattern but it's green.
Oh my god. That is a piece and a half.
Look at this. Oh, there will be.
Oh, I love that. Such a nice brand. Just sold one. It's got a liner. Scotch and Soda Amsterdam with a little liner on the inside. Don't know if you point it down properly. So there we go. The liner on it looks unreal. Yep. Yeah, flaky zip. Those two pieces. Yeah.
It's a Gap anywhere.
Yeah, Gap 69. Gap, I'm positive it's Gap.
I think I'm going to go through there, bro. Look in the sacks.
Okay,
Get
come.
some of their premium.
Come with you.
'Cause I think we're fucking done with this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Telling you, man. Who here's the best?
Yeah, you're right. Cabela. Schofel. Old Rucker. Marmot. It needs a wash. K-Way. Dean's found this beauty. It's a men's extra large. 90s Reebok.
Definitely bigger than a large, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's so good, but it's just massive. It's hard to sell.
Oh, that one.
Another one. And then another one as well. This one's better size, bro. Not as good as the last one.